Hi, I'm Dixon. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my favorite properties in the city of PJ. This residence is easy access to the major highways like Kerinci Link, LTP, NKVE, and Federal Highway. Like I said, you can enjoy 5-star facilities at your doorstep. You can swim in the leisure pool at level 9, or you can swim in the Sky Infinity pool at level 46. You can do sport at futsal court, badminton court, basketball court, or you can do workout in the double level of gym, which is very spacious. Also, you can host family gathering in the event hall, outdoor kitchen, sky lounge, sky barbecue deck, or at the games room. Okay, now the one we are showing here is 753 square feet with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Again, this unit is 100% fully furnished. What you see is what you get. Starting from the foyer, we have a built-in shoe cabinet. Come to kitchen, we have this designer low and bottom cabinet. You have this branded cooker hot and hope, microwave, and the branded fridge. After you prepare your dinner, you can enjoy it with your family at this dining table, which is also given. Come further, you will see a small compartment here. In this small compartment, you can actually place your washing machine, cum dryer, which is also given. After a long day at work, you can enjoy your shower at this comfy bathroom with high quality shower mixer, and a plus point is the storage water heater is hidden. All the bathroom accessories designed as you can see here, like shower screen, vanity cabinet, and the mirror are all given. In your master bedroom, we have this beautiful designer wardrobe. We also given the king size mattress, including the bed frame and the side table. In the other room, we also have the designer wardrobe and the single size mattress, including bed frame with side table. You do not have to spend an extra cent for this sofa, coffee table, TV, and TV console. Again, you will save up a lot of money and your time for the renovation or to sell out your dream home, because even the curtain, the plaster ceiling with LED downlight, and the aircons at all areas are done for you. For more information, please click the link below.